In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link QuickBooks Online to payroll. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an admin user and have your company details handy, including your employer identification number, business address, and tax information. Having employee details nearby will also make the setup smoother. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. In the top right corner, open the gear icon for settings, then choose Billing and Subscription. Here, look for the payroll section to see if it's already active on your account. If you don't see it active, select Add Payroll and choose the plan that fits your needs. The plan determines features like automated tax filings and direct deposit speed, so take a moment to review the options. Once added, your subscription will reflect the payroll service. Next, turn on Payroll inside QuickBooks. From the left navigation, click Payroll, then select Get Started. You'll be guided through entering your business information, including your EIN, legal business name and address, and tax details. Accuracy matters here because this information flows into tax forms and filings. After that, add your employees. You'll enter their basic details, compensation information, and how they're paid. If you don't have every detail ready, you can add or update employees later. Just make sure at least one employee is set up so payroll can complete its connection to your books. Once you finish the setup, payroll is automatically linked to your QuickBooks Online company. After the initial setup, verify that payroll accounts are mapped correctly. Open Settings again and go to Payroll Settings, then review Accounting Preferences. Confirm that payroll-related activity posts to the right accounts. Payroll expense for wages, payroll tax expense for employer taxes, payroll liabilities for amounts owed to tax agencies and benefits providers, and the bank account that funds payroll. This mapping ensures that each pay run creates the proper journal entries automatically, keeping your financial statements accurate. If you're unsure which accounts to use, or you operate with a custom chart of accounts, consider consulting your accountant before making changes. For a smoother reconciliation process, connect the bank account that funds payroll. Go to Transactions, then Bank Transactions, and choose Link Account. Follow the prompts to connect the same bank you use for payroll funding. This step is optional but recommended as it helps your payroll debits and tax payments match up automatically in your bank feed and reduces manual work during month end. That's it. You've linked QuickBooks Online to payroll, verified the accounting setup, and if you chose to, connected your bank for clean reconciliation.